If you want to access Yahoo Mail from Microsoft Edge, this guide will walk you through the quickest way to get signed in and start checking your messages. Whether you're logging in on a personal computer or a work device, this is a simple process that only takes a minute or two. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Edge opens, you'll want to head over to the Yahoo Mail website. You can type Yahoo Mail into the search bar, or if you already know the web address, you can enter it directly into the address bar at the top. After the Yahoo Mail page loads, look for the Sign In button. This is usually near the top of the page and is the place where you begin the login process. Click Sign In to continue. Now you'll see the Yahoo Sign In screen. Here, enter your Yahoo email address in the first field. Make sure you type it correctly so Yahoo can recognize your account. After that, enter your password in the password field. If you're using a shared computer, be careful not to save your password unless you trust the device and want to stay signed in. Once your email and password are entered, click Next or Login to finish signing in. Yahoo may take a moment to verify your account, especially if you have two-step verification turned on. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions, such as approving a login request or entering a code sent to your phone or recovery email. After the sign-in is complete, you'll be taken to your Yahoo Mail inbox. From there, you can read emails, reply to messages, organize folders, search for old conversations, and manage your inbox just like normal. Since you're using Microsoft Edge, everything should work smoothly through the browser without needing to install anything extra. If you ever have trouble signing in, double check that your internet connection is working, confirm that your password is correct, and make sure you're using the right Yahoo account. If needed, you can also use Yahoo's account recovery options to reset your password or regain access, and that's it. You now know how to access Yahoo Mail from Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.